Hi guys, Niaje. Now I make custom rugs. On today's episode, guys, we are making a custom 3-meter long beige vibe rug using a tufting gun all the way from scratch. Now, guys, if you're interested in wanting to learn how to make such wonderful, if not amazing, rugs for yourself, your business, or just to spice up your house and take it from flashback to flash fabulous, well, I got you covered. And also, guys, this rug took me literally 2 days to make, 2 days in the making. How you know this is I've changed clothes twice, and using a touching gun all the way from scratch right here at Mswahili. Now, guys, this is one of the longest yet narrowest rugs I've ever made. It was a 3-meter long by 1-meter wide rug that I made here using a tufting gun all the way from scratch. So, guys, if you ever, wherever you are in the world and you're interested in just wanting to customize your house and take it from a flash back to flash fabulous, and you got the design too, I can do it for you. And don't see the size of my frame and think like, oh, I'm limited to that size. Oh no, darling. As you can see here, we were moving it because my frame is a 2-meter frame, so we were moving the fabric up higher so that we can get more space to get it to 3-meter long wide. Now, guys, if you want to learn how to do all this online and you want to just see the whole processes of how carpets and rugs are made in my channel, I have a YouTube channel by the name Mswahili Carpets, where I show the full process of how to do everything and take it from scratch to a finished product. As you can see, we were able to move the fabric, and now we are proceeding in doing the last 1 meter of this rug.